Hello, Coron Mays here with Boss Commercial Cleaning. Today we're talking about screen cleaning. First thing we do is get them all wet. We get them all wet so the bug spots and the dry stuff, bird droppings, can start to loosen up. Then the next thing we do, next we scrub them with our soap solution. Scrub the frame. We got a soft brush that doesn't damage the screen. We scrub both sides. Then we rinse real good. Then we set them out in the sun to dry. All right, and then by the time we're done cleaning your windows, the screens are like new and perfectly dry. And that is how you screen cleans like, oh my God. That is how you clean screens like a boss. Hey, I got it. And that's what we do for $2 a screen. Thanks a lot.